Hey guys, today's video is about bathroom organization and storage. I live in a city apartment that has very minimal closet space and storage to begin with, so I had to really figure out how to effectively use the space that I had. So I'm going to share with you guys 10 of my favorite products that make storage and organization so easy and really effectively utilize a small space. All of these products are very inexpensive, super easy to use, and are construction free. If you guys want more bathroom organization and cleaning tips, my friend Nikki did a video over on her channel, and her channel is amazing. You should definitely go check out her video and subscribe if you haven't. So a way to instantly make your bathroom look more clean is to remove everything from the surfaces, like off of the top of the toilet and off of the counters. But a way to actually get storage while doing this is to get this over the toilet storage. I personally bought this chrome unit from Target. I think it looks really nice, and it provides 2 full layers of storage where you can display extra toilet paper, your Kleenex. I like to put flowers and some candles up there. So if you only have a small cabinet underneath your sink to work with, the best thing you can do is to maximize the vertical space. I personally love this 2-drawer unit with mesh drawers that slide out. I like this system the most, not only because it's an effective use of height, but also because it's really easy to actually get to all the products that you have stored. So I like to put the products that I use most often in here, and then I can just slide it out and grab it. Drawer organizers are a must-have in bathroom drawers, especially in the smaller drawers where you can't really fit much. I like to get these small organizers, and this way I can put things together like my hair ties, face creams, things like my chapstick. All of these can go easily into an organizer, and they're not going to be rolling around in the drawer and creating a mess. There's usually that awkward space in bathroom cabinets where the sink actually is, and you can't really store a ton under there. So what I like to do is to put a bin under that space, because that way I can organize a ton of products and I can just slide the basket in and out whenever I'd like to use it. So a trick that I use in my kitchen to store my pots and pans and my lids is to use this shelving unit, and I found this at Target for very inexpensive. It's super easy to use, and I love this because it creates an extra layer of vertical space. So what you could do with this shelf is put a bin under this that you can easily slide out. I like to put toilet paper on top of it, but you could also put your makeup bag. It really just provides an extra shelf in there, but it's very inexpensive and construction free. The bathroom in my apartment is really awkward because it's a very long sized bathroom, but there's no bathroom closet and there's no linen closet in the hallway to actually store towels. So to utilize this blank wall in the bathroom, I went and found this unit at Home Goods. It cost less than $100, but it provided so much needed storage in this bathroom. I still think it looks neat and organized. It doesn't look too cluttered with having the towels out, but it definitely provides a ton of storage that was so needed in this bathroom. Another great hack for small bathroom storage is to maximize over-the-door space in your bathroom cabinets. You can find over-the-door storage like this at places like Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, or you can actually DIY your own over-the-door storage. This is a really great way to maximize space that otherwise doesn't get used and can hold things that are kind of awkward to store, like your hot tools. To get rid of awkward bags under the sink, like for Epsom salts, I actually started to utilize these pantry containers that I keep food in my kitchen. I bought this specifically to hold Epsom salts, so this way I can get rid of the bags with the Epsom salts. I can put this right next to the tub with a scoop, and it's really easy for every time the bath is running to just go in, grab some salt. It looks very clean and organized, and I don't have open bags in all of my cabinets. If you have a small bathroom cabinet and you don't want toilet paper taking up space in that cabinet, something you can do is get this toilet paper storage. You can put this right by your toilet. It's out of sight, you can't see it, but it can actually hold all of your toilet paper and get it out of the way. A lot of apartments now have really modern showers without a ton of storage, so if you live in something like this, something you can do is add this storage over your shower head. This is something that works really great if you're sharing the space with a roommate or your husband, because it provides 2 shelving layers of storage plus hooks. You can both hang a loofah, you can have soap, you can have different shampoos and razors and products. It really provides a ton of storage in case you are in a shower that doesn't have any space to add your own. You can find a storage unit easily at Target. It's very inexpensive and actually have a ton of different styles that will fit your shower and the way you want it to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to let me know that you like home organization videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post new videos every Thursday and I post a ton of home and organization videos. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to check out my friend Nikki's video. I will put it in the description. She posts a ton of home cleaning videos and her channel is just the best. She posts amazing videos. You should definitely go check her out and subscribe if you haven't. Tell her I sent you, because she's one of my favorite people on YouTube, and I think you guys will love her too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.